Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is how to actually get your sound to record your audio. So we're gonna go ahead and go down to Google right now, guys. And now the thing that you're gonna type in the box right here that I'm in, you're gonna type in um uh machine. That's not what you're supposed to type in Audacity, which means it only records sound and you can't record videos on it, just sound. And it's a cross-form audio. See, Audacity is free to open, it's free. It's free desktop. So this is supposed to look like. Go ahead and download that, guys. You can download it on there and another app. It should go like this. Okay, guys. So once you're inside of it, what you're gonna do, you can do any kinds of things like this, that, and it is really cool, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and go on to my next tutorial right now, guys. Next tutorial. So guys, if you have Epic Games, a lot of you have been asking me how to actually get 2FA for Epic Games, guys. So yeah, a lot of people have been asking me how to get 2FA for Epic Games. Go to Manage Accounts. Oh, yeah, go to your manage accounts, guys. After you go to manage accounts, all you have to do next is easily just go. Unfortunately, guys, I have already done this, so it doesn't show. But what it's supposed to say is, it's supposed to say, use SMS or email. I suggest you use SMS. It's going to send a I will tell you guys why you shouldn't use email. Email actually has an account already ready for you, and it doesn't show you any information. It just says, oh, this account has a code, go to it, put the code in. And you probably might not know that account, right? So guys, I suggest you use SMS because all it does, you gotta type in your number, it sends a code to your number. Once you get that code, put it in there, and then there you go. It's done. You have 2FA. Now when you go back on Fortnite, what it will do is actually still say the same exact thing where you didn't have it. All you gotta do is just say claim it, and you have it. And you also get a free dance, which is called Boogie. I don't think it's called Boogie. I think she did. Just text her in the chat if she called you. Okay, guys. So going on for the next tutorial. This next tutorial is actually how to a lot of people requesting it. Now the reason why I'm doing this in one video is because there is so many. It's just so many different kinds of things. Like a lot of people asking me how, and I don't want to make too many videos, and I just want to make one and one. Oops. So all you have to do is go to Google. This is how you do it again. In this tutorial, I think a lot of people know it. Now, what you have to do is, unfortunately, I think you're gonna close your computer. So what you're gonna do is type in mouse cursors, and this is the most popular one I love. I think my dad looked this up. Anyway, uh, I think he's trying to figure out how to do it easy too. Anyway, so it's just paper. Anyway, so you're gonna click on mouse cursor, and then after you click on mouse cursor, one of the most popular ones are actually not the 50, but I gotta get it. What you gotta do is go ahead and go to mouse cursor real world. So that's what you're going to have to type in, you guys. And this real world cursor provides all the tools you need to modify an existing mouse cursor or to create an entirely new one from scratch. So you guys can download a mouse cursor. You guys can download a mouse cursor. See right here, and you're gonna go on that link, guys. I'm gonna put it in the description below, guys. Okay, description below if you want to figure out what this is. You guys just click the description, and this is what you can do. You can download millions of different kinds of icons. You guys can do this, and there's different kinds of icons you can do it for also, guys. I like it a lot, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it or how to download it. All you have to do is click on a one. Don't click on that because it'll take up space and it won't really download the whole pack. Okay, so once you do that, I'm just going to download a normal select. Alright, this is for people on Windows. This is all I know how to fix, you guys. Okay, it's not downloading. It's done. All I have to do is go to your thing. After you go to your thing, guys, you're going to go to mouse cursor, which is right here. You're going to go ahead and, oh, and guys, also, if I change my normal select to normal, of course, everything else will change back to normal. So if you want it to normal, you don't have to change anything else. Okay, just saying, alright? Yes, I used up so much, and this is why everything is deleted, guys. Actually, no. I have so much more space on here, guys. It just shows that you know, that. But guys, you can change it to this, and let's say you want to change it back to normal, guys. All you gotta do, go to this PC. Actually, no. Okay, guys. Sorry, I gotta literally got my space. I gotta go to this there. After you go there, go ahead and go to the one that you used to like, which is mine, and click OK, guys. That's how you get your normal select or thing, select thing. I hope this helped you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.